Sige,
Grabe
sige.
naman,
So,
sad.
so mga kaigalaan, we have a surprise poetry reading from Two Tin Cans, Sarah Henderson. She is going to give us a bit of a sneak peek of that age-old question. What does it mean to be a Cebuano? Unsa maning Sugboanon gyud ay? Unsa may pasabot ani mo ingon kang ako Sugboanon ko unsa may pasabot niya ni? Masig mouth off lang ka og words that you don't really understand. So here she is now with a sample of her poetry reading this October 17 here at Tops for the Tops Art Fest. Go ahead, Sarah Henderson.
Sugboanong tiunay, asa masikop ang kinud-anay nga dagway. Sa mga baybayon nga ang bawd misayaw-sayaw. Sa habagatang hangin diin kalinaw ang nipatig babaw tunga sa mga sugilanong mipuka sa dughang nag-uros-uros sa gibuhi ang mga damgo.
Wow, that's beautiful. I had a chance to talk to one of the brilliant artists here in Cebu. Painter to siya. Ningon siya nga, kan ako ng poetry ko no, kan ako ng art ko no. Kung maminaw ko na, for example, kanta, he mentioned nga Across the Universe from kanang Beatles na kanta bitaw. Kung tanawon lang ko nimo ang words, kung imo lang basahon without even understanding it, it's like music to your ears. And
Yes.
what you just did, I understood it, right? Because I'm a Bisaya, man ko sad, kasabot mo kog Cebuano. Pero ang uban wa kasabot ato nindot gyapon paminawon because it's poetry, right? Most and I think that's also one of the reasons why nga okay ra gyud kung mukanta kag Binisaya kay ang mga Koreano Kinoreano sa K-pop, di ba?
Yes.
Anong hit man kay lastanan kay nindot man paminawon, di ba? It just sounds nice on in the ears, right? Right? There's something good, like a good vibe, right? Or something.
Yes, and I think for a Cebuano, whether you can be a Cebuano and not fluent in Cebuano or Bisaya, you are still able to connect. You would know that there's something there that's meant for you. It could be a word, it could be a sound, it could be a line, and it's telling you that, hey, I'm part of this.
Yeah.
And so, as you're saying, you're trying to promote Cebuano artists, Cebuano music. It's going to be a movement where we are going to put on the spotlight the arts in Cebu. And so with this is actually not just like something that was pulled out
Of thin air, right?
air. There's going to be the unveiling of a painting this Thursday as part of the opening. And this is the poetic, lyrical interpretation of that painting.